nobody.
Happy Father's Day, Dad. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hello beauties, and welcome back to another day on my vlog. I'm Ashley and I am out here in these streets. I am out here. I'm about to get me and Zuri some lunch. She's asleep right now, but I need to stop for lunch because I haven't eaten all day. It's 3 o'clock. Whoa, when did it get 3 o'clock? It's 3 o'clock. She ate today, but I didn't eat anything. And we are headed to some stores. We have a family beach trip tomorrow, so I just needed to grab some stuff today. I really grabbed most of what I needed already. I got a little I did Instacart this morning and had Walmart deliver because Walmart had a nice little 50% off your order deal up to $40, so I took full advantage of that. So I got me I kind of want to go to Outback. Like, I never want Outback, but I kind of want to go to Outback. Let me think. What else is down here? You know what? I'm going to go to Outback and get me some Outback wings, because I haven't had any in a long time. But anyway, so I just needed to grab some things. I grabbed snacks. I grabbed a little miniature pool for the toddlers to get in, so we don't have to worry about them being in the actual water or trying to get in the actual water. So that was good. Yeah, I'm gonna go right here because I want some Outback wings and I haven't eaten all day. So before I go in any stores, I might as well go ahead and get something to eat. The only thing I'm mad at is that I'm going to have to wake up Zuri because she's sleeping, but it should be okay. Yeah, it should be fine. So yeah, I'm gonna get us something to eat, and then I need to go to Target to get the rest of what I need. So I just need like some Black Girl sunscreen, and I wanted to get the Physicians Formula butter bronzer, because actually I had it before, but I had it in a palette and it was really good. It's actually one of my favorites. Hold on, it looks so empty here, but I know it got to be open. Hold on, let me check something. I'm gonna go ahead and go inside this Outback. I'll see you guys in here in a second. I'm happy to have lunch with you, boo. Okay, back to our regularly scheduled program. We've eaten and are full. And I don't know if that was such a good idea because now I don't really feel like going in the store. But I need to. I drove all the way out here. So I think I'm going to do Target first. And then I'm going to do Bath and Body Works. I was already tired, but especially now that I've eaten lunch, I'm even more tired. I feel like I could just lay down and go to sleep right here. And Zuri had a nap, but a small one, so maybe, huh? Call Mimi? Call Mimi and you're gonna hear her on your Wi-Fi. What you want to talk to Mimi about? About the swimming pool, what? About the swimming pool was closed. She know it's closed. Do we really need to call her? This girl love her Mimi. I mean, I love Mimi too. That's my mom. Hey, Mom. Hello. We talked to Mimi for a full hour and some change earlier on the way here. And she wanted to call Mimi so she could talk to Mimi like an old lady, tell Mimi about the daggone swimming pool. And I don't know what swimming pool she's talking about. Nevertheless, it's 4:30, so I need to get a move on because it's not late or anything, but I just want to get back home. Also, I have my air conditioner turned up because it's heating up out here. So if y'all can hear it and it's background noise, then please forgive me, but I can't be hot for nobody. Y'all, this is the first time, I know I mentioned earlier, the fact that we are going to do a family beach trip tomorrow, and I'm so excited because not that having a full day at the beach with a bunch of kids is the most wonderful thing, but this will be my family's first time with everyone's actually coming, everybody all together. Okay, we're all gonna carpool in about 3 cars. There is a lot of us, so if you don't know me personally, I have 4 siblings, so there's 5 of us total, and then there's 7 grandkids. I have 1, my older brother has 2, my sister has 4, so there's 7 grandkids, and so all of the grandkids are actually going to be going. So anyway, yeah, so we're all going. I'm super excited because it's the first time all of us have gotten to get together and actually go somewhere, like go to the beach and have fun. Anyway, I'm just realizing as I get a little older that, and my brother and I, my older brother, we as we get older, we're starting to realize how important it is for the entire family to get together. We've always been such a close-knit family that when we were growing up, we didn't really need anybody like besides each other, because it's 5 kids, so you know, it was just always us. So right now we know everybody has their own lives, and we all still live locally, so that's good, but everybody has their own life. So we're trying to put a lot more emphasis on getting together, planning things for the whole family, making sure our kids can hang out, the cousins and everything like that. So far, I think we've done a good job in the past couple of years doing stuff like that. You guys saw my brothers took me out for my birthday this year, and that was so wonderful to me. Like, I literally had the time of my life. There's nothing like hanging with your siblings. Like, they're just, for me anyway, there's just like such a sense of security, and it's like, yeah, these are my brothers. Like, you know, it just, I love it. So I'm excited for us all to get together and have some fun. And if you can schedule time with your family and do things and get together, definitely do it, because time is short and you don't get any of this time back. And just make memories. Just make all the memories that you can, man. Good morning, y'all. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning, and we're getting on the road for our family trip. We got the littles in here in the back. They got my nephews over here in mom and dad's car. Hey mama, you playing the slinky? He's in Mimi and Pop-Pop's car. I put all the preteens in there. Well, besides Deuce, because he her age, but Mika. Okay. Oh, Devin and Kai. You do, oh, Kai. Y'all doing good. Making a stop at the rest stop. Look at Croc gang. Mika, I mean Kai and Uncle Devin.
Okay,
Come on, come on.
My baby, my Valentine, yo. Can I you make you my temperature the rise? If you leave me, I could die, I swear. You are like the oxygen I need to survive, I'll be honest. Your love ain't it, don't leave me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your body, I need a machine, open up, make I see, you're my love, one sexy. If you make a bad man sing, oh,
Y'all, Pinterest hack. Best way to keep all your snacks, keep everything dry, bring a fitted sheet from your house, and with the fitted sheet, just put something in the corners. There ain't no sand or none of this stuff. Nobody's getting in there, nobody's sitting. All the bags are nice and good. That's the best hack I ever seen.
It's done just you good. It's done just you, done just you. Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like with the chop or the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no. But so plain bear more. You go do you one time, I go for one time, I'm to buy mess up.
Dusty literally made all these on the beach for all the makings for it. They look so good.
I saw they fly like a helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer. Question.
Happy Father's Day to all the fathers. Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I know see what you do. See when we go get a while like Sulesu. Got to one you console. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up. Man no be God. Make them they talk. I swear they fly like a helicopter. Nobody grace I've got an inshallah with them move. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 Question.
How you just standing there eating ice in the middle of the ocean? I mean, no, that's not okay. I haven't heard you say it. You just said my bad. Ugly.